Hey, how is it going? Last time we discussed some fermented food. And we made pickled cabbage. Basically, you can do like a lot of different kind of pickled vegetables. You can do some like, let's say Asian style, like with some Korean spices, but usually quite spicy, and so on. So what about some Russian traditional one? Make a pickled fermented cucumbers. So basically you can do it with a big one, depending what you have. So you can cut on the small slices and put everything in a can. I do it in a big can, but it's a metal one. It's not really convenient to give a demonstration. So I'll make you with a small one, just to give you the idea. So everything wash it up, we'll put it inside. So usually I have a glass one with 3 liters. I put it 1 tablespoon of salt, that's it. Or you can do the small, really cute and tasty cucumbers. And yeah, you can store it for quite a long time. So compared to marinated food, I try to put it more. Naturally pickled one is natural, and fermentation, the bacteria will convert all of the carbs and cellulose into amino acids and proteins, what make ingredients very different. Then we put some clean water. If you have distilled water, it's just fine. And we cover it all. Then we can add some garlic, we can add any kind of greens you like, whatever. I make it simple. Some people like to add vinegar or some lemon acid, whatever, sugar for make more rich taste. I don't use anything of that. Yeah. For the 3 liters, I said I use 1 tablespoon of salt. So here, just for demonstration, we can use just a teaspoon, just a little bit. Yeah, salt is the best preservative. Also cranberry berries, and also you can use a lot of different kind of herbs and grasses for the natural way of preservatives, let's say. So if you do some marinated food, so usually you put hot water on it and add salt and close it up and can store it like maybe 1 year. It's quite good, but when it goes through the hot process, basically you kill and destroy all the vitamins and ferments in there, what we try to avoid. But still, it's not that bad compared to the food you can buy somewhere in a store, what full of chemicals and so on. Basically that's it. And we will leave it in a cold place in a basement somewhere, or maybe in a fridge for the 2-3 days. In 2-3 days it will change the colors, will be like a little bit crunchy, let's say, and it became more yellow, and water it's get like a bit dirty. So it doesn't matter, you can leave it like that and it will be ready to eat in 3-4 days. If you wanna marinate it, yeah, you can heat it up and get up to 90 degrees to kill all of the bacteria and close it up, it will be marinated. So basically for now, that's it. It will be ready in 3-4 days. Super simple, and you can try with big variety of different kind of food. And yeah, stay tuned. Later on will be more cool and healthy recipe. If you like the video, you know what to do.